Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to save a post as a draft in Instagram. If you're using Instagram now, and now you want to save a post as a draft video, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, and here just tap on the plus icon, just tap on it and then select the video or post you want to save as draft, and I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then tap on next. But if you want to edit this, you can edit it easily from here. Now tab on next, and here you'll get the save draft option. Just tap on it and the post will be saved into draft. You can easily get it in your profile, and here you can easily get your draft videos or posts. So that's how you can easily save a post as a draft in Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.